Hello everyone, welcome to I Must Gate Academy. Here is an update that COAP's round 3 cutoffs has been released by different IITs. So when we will go here for the IIT Kanpur, here if I will talk about in electrical engineering, okay, I can see the MTech admission, the latest announcement by the IIT Kanpur for the electrical engineering is 24th May. The selection criteria for the EE MTech admission round 3 in COAP can be seen here. So when I will click here, this shortlisting criteria we can just open. It's open for each and every branch. I'm just taking one example. You can see when you will go to the official website of IIT Kanpur, you can see here for every branch they released the round 3 cutoff also. So you can see when I will come here, so we can see first of all MTech admissions. So EE department is admitting MTech students in all their specialization. So MTech candidates are not considered if he or she apply for a stream he is not eligible for, first of all. So she does not meet the marks or CPI criteria. Okay, minimum what is required 5.5 or 55% marks is required here. When I will talk about the next is get discipline of a candidates makes him or her ineligible for the stream if he or she has not applied. So this is also very important, dear students. When you are applying for any of the institution, you should be careful what is the eligibility criteria. So here I can see, so if a student wants to go for the control and automation specialization, so then his discipline in GET should be EE, EC or IN. So it's clearly mentioned here. We can see, okay, for all these specialization, these are the required branches or these are the disciplines required in the GET. Okay, the next is here, please check the eligibility criteria. More you can check here. Please check again carefully before filling any form, whether you are trying for the COAP or CCMT. Please check eligibility criteria. Okay, otherwise you will just waste your time and just it will give you stress also. Now the next thing is the direct offer. So all non-sponsored full-time applicants who have BTech degree from IIT, they will just give the direct offers, who have completed BTech degree from IITs by 2024 with the 6.5 or 6.5 CPI or CPI for the last 2 years is 8.5 are offered a direct admission in the stream of first preference. So they will give the first preference. Second, the interview, all applicants who have provided sponsorship details in their applications will be called for interview in the stream of their first preference. So BTech general 70% means 7.0 CPI, EWS 65%, OBC 60%, SC ST 55%. We can see here. For all part-time or full-time also it's mentioned here, they required a 2-year experienced, okay, 1-year experience required if they're sponsored by a government organization. So the next is the gate-based selection. Sorry, gate-based selection. So this selection is majorly for all the students, okay, who recently pass out the BTech or you are from the any college of the India. So this is the gate based selection. Full-time candidates who have specified either yes to institute assistantship or self-sponsored. So this depends on you ki where you are applying here. Okay, to finance method will be selected on the basis of their GET score for the candidate in the year 2022, 23 or 24. Okay, here also we are having DAP candidates with the GET scorecard. Okay, what is the others it's mentioned. If I will talk about the round 1 cutoff, so MTech round 1 cutoff was there for different scheme, means different stream wise or category wise it is mentioned here. SPC, Com, PE, PH, RF, means VLSI. So every general EWS, OBS for every categories stream wise cutoff has been released. For the round 1 also you can see this is for the round 2, and here we can see for the latest is for the round 3. So this is the latest. So you can see if you are having the 70767 for everything it is mentioned here. If you are from general, if you are from EWS, if you are from OBC category, you can just check here. So cutoff for the selection of DAP candidates also mentioned here. Okay, so then you can just go, if in case of any queries you are facing any difficulty, you are not sure, that suppose you are having the score 707 and still you are not getting the opportunity there, or you not received till now the offer letter, then you can directly just contact to this you can just fill this form and you can just contact to the COAP admission portal also. All right guys, so this is the first update about the IIT Kanpur, as all the IITs are releasing their round 3 cutoff, so you can just check it out. Every availability is there. Okay, just check it out and stay connected to I Must Gate Academy YouTube channel. Thank you.